What's up guys, I'm Harry Collins and today we're going to be unboxing the Nikon Z7-II. Alright, there she is. So, size-wise, this is an old D7000. For comparison, it's about the same size as that. Here's one of the Pro bodies. Definitely a major size difference there. This thing, it definitely feels like a toy compared to what I'm used to. I'm going to be adding the battery grip for sure. Nikon Z strap. Charger. AC adapter. Looks like that plugs right into the camera. Battery. Of course, this takes the EN/EL 15s. And some more wires. I have no idea what this is. To figure out what that is. Alright, so I should mention, I want to thank Nikon. They did send this one over to me. They also sent me the FTZ adapter, which is pretty awesome. So let's get that hooked up. Alright, so I'm going to throw in on my 600 f4 here, which I have a feeling is going to be really oddly balanced. And it definitely is. Definitely going to be needing a battery grip for this one. So, kind of looks a little funky there. Just so small compared to the lens and the bodies I usually shoot with. So it's got the articulating screen here. I had the opportunity to shoot with the Canon R5 for about a month. I'm a little disappointed to see this doesn't do what the R5 does, which is you can completely flip it out, spin it around and close it. Keeps the screen from getting scratched in your bag when you're walking around, all that kind of good stuff. But anyway, I'm anxious to see how this compares to the R5. And again, this was just a quick unboxing video. I should have a review out soon as I get to use it. So thanks for watching.